This is the control panel for the heater and air conditioner system. Press the Climate button on the control panel to show the climate control options on the lower screen. Press this button and the system will automatically regulate and maintain fan speed, airflow, and temperature. If fan speed, airflow mode, or defrost settings are manually adjusted, the system will switch from auto mode to your control. Use these buttons to manually set the desired temperature for each side of the vehicle. To switch back to driver control, touch the dual key to the off position. Press this button to select from the available airflow modes. This icon indicates air will flow from the defroster outlets. The arrows indicate whether the center and side vents or the foot outlets are active. Press this button to recirculate air inside your vehicle. This increases AC efficiency and helps block outside odors. Press the button again to draw in fresh outside air, improving your vehicle's defogging performance. If your vehicle is so equipped, you can use this air intake key to set the air intake to automatic. Push Climate and then press this key to manually turn the air conditioner on. In hot or humid conditions, a visible mist may be seen coming from the vents. This does not indicate a malfunction. To defrost or defog front and side windows, press this button. The indicator light on the AC key may also illuminate because the AC compressor is activated to help dry the air and improve window clearing performance. The air can still be fully warmed with the AC activated. For windshield de-icing, set the temperature to maximum heat with the fan set to high. Press this button to defrost or defog the rear window and the outside mirrors. If not turned off manually, this function will automatically deactivate in a period of time. There are temperature sensors located on the lower instrument panel and on top of the dashboard near the windshield that help regulate the automatic climate control settings. Do not put anything on or around these sensors. To turn the system off, push the On/Off button. You can return to automatic control of the heater and air conditioner system at any time by pressing this button. Please see your Infiniti InTouch Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.